biggest poodle I have ever seen. Get out and drive. Like I said, no garage queens. Today I am going to my friend Neil's car show in Town Lake, Houston, Texas, to support his business he's opening. It's called iExotics, and it is a storage facility for cars. He does PPF, ceramic coatings, lots of different stuff. So he is having the car show at his new place of business. Let me show you some of the cars that are here. This one, I love the color. Now, I was told that the blue in here was absolutely an accident. As you can see, this body is this color here. So the man who ordered this accidentally checked the wrong box when he was configuring it at Lamborghini, and the inside stitching showed up this blue. It did have black calipers, but they tried to tie in that mistake and painted these blue. This beautiful color. Tempted. There's this SVJ. Got it revving a little bit, so I will put that in here. Let me show you the back wing here. It's pretty cool. So here is a GT3 Touring. I have never seen one in this color. This Turbo S is very unique as well. Love it. GT2 RS. Again, massive wing, of course. All these beautiful cars. Well, this one looks familiar. I just got back from my friend Neil's car show in Cypress, Texas. Lots of beautiful cars that came, as you can see from the video. I was really super impressed with the Batman car. It's been raining here a lot lately, so I'm taking this chance because it's not raining to go out and drive a little bit on some of my favorite roads. Get out and drive. Like I said, no garage queens. Oh my goodness. I love when I get behind somebody who likes to drive. I live in Houston, which is really awesome. A lot of the roads that I drive on are kind of on the outskirts, and a lot of farm guys go by and they're like, what is that car? What is that girl driving that car? easiest on